Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rishikesh, back with a new video. Okay, today we will be discussing the benefits of starting your preparation in 11th versus 12th. First of all, there are few topics from 11th which come in IMCT examinations and sponsorship examinations. Okay, what are they? From physics, chemistry, math, they come. Okay, from physics you will be getting motion in 2D. Okay, motion in 1D. Motions, basically motions from 11th. Second, projectile motions. Third, general properties and basically all properties of matter which are discussed in class 11th. And most importantly, SHM. Okay, simple harmonic motion. That is a very important chapter from 11th. Coming to chemistry, you will be having basic concepts of chemistry. Second thing, you will be having nomenclature and everything, and rest of the part will be coming from the 12th, क्योंकि आधा पेपर तो ऑर्गेनिक ही होता है. ओके, एंड देन टॉकिंग अबाउट मैथमेटिक्स में you will be having algebra from 11th and also from the 12th, but yes, algebra from 11th. Trigonometry, two-dimensional geometry, बाकी का that will be coming from the 12th. Like some have probability also, probability and statistics in 11th, so that also comes. Okay, so what are the benefits when you start your preparation from 11th? From 11th, when you start the preparation, you get time for coping with your English. Okay, improving every day on that language. Second thing, you get time to prepare about company specific things. Okay, you need to have company knowledge when you go to interviews like big companies in Anglo-Western, on Tom and Scorpio. In any company you go for sponsorships, you need to have their basic knowledge. Okay, whenever you have a good knowledge about the companies, you have an upper hand in the interview. And talking about more benefits, you will get more time to revise everything. ठीक है, जैसे तुम्हारा प्रिपरेशन हैंड टू हैंड चलता रहेगा. ओके, यू विल गेट every topic starting in the board, so you will include that in your IMCT preparation, and then you will get more time for revision when you go in 12th standard. Around December January you can start your revision sessions. Okay, revision runs जिसको हम बोलते हैं बड़ी में. You will start your revision run from December itself, and from February the forms generally they are out on the websites, and from March April the sponsorship exam commences. Okay.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं, राइट? ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन एड. आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो. Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
And from March April the sponsorship exam commences. Okay, so तभी you will have a great upper hand on that. Okay, talking about benefits of starting your preparation in 12th standard. When you go in 12th standard, you have a good hand on 11th standard. The study students have a good hand on 11th standard also. So that is not a case to worry for most of the students. When you start your 12th standard, most of the topics are from 12th standard. So that is a benefit. When you do your preparation, you will find the same topics in your board preparation also. Okay, and what are you preparing on board? You will find that topics in IMCT preparation or sponsorship preparation also. So that is a benefit that will go in a flow. Okay, whenever you study in a flow with same amount of topics you have to prepare. So that is a plus point for you to grasp things at a greater pace. And talking about like if you're starting in 12th या फिर 11th या 12th कभी भी start कर रहे हो preparation, तो don't forget to have a guidance with you. ठीक है, and a best platform where you can at least have satisfactory and decent amount of preparation. Okay, so yeah, try for the most quality one. Yeah, because it plays very much role यार, क्योंकि जितना तुम अच्छा preparation जहाँ से भी करोगे ना, so that will showcase in your IMCT rank, that will showcase in your sponsorship tests, that will showcase in your most important sponsorship interviews. ठीक है, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट केसेस होते हैं. एंड आई मस्ट से अगर 11th से प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो तो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट यार. यू हैव टाइम, यू हैव प्लेंटी अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम लेन द सिलेबस टू गो. ओके, इन 12th थोड़ा सा बकल अप करना पड़ता है. ओके, यू हैव टू बक अप थिंग्स, फास्ट लेके जाना होता है, क्रैश कोर्सेज कंप्लीट करने होते हैं. एंड लास्टली, इफ़ यू आर वन ऑफ दोज who are starting your preparation now, you are thirsty and you are finding a well. ठीक है, तो we are here for the students who haven't yet started the preparation. Just click on the link in the description box below. We will reach you out. Okay. And yes, budding minus batches are lately starting, so you can join them and excel in your whole full end preparation and guidance. Okay, so no one is here to guide you like us, no one is here to prepare you like us. Okay, and we will be with you every time. Thumbs up, like, comment, share this video. Okay, subscribe to this channel, and yes, comment down the next topic you would like to have on our YouTube channel. Stay tuned guys and set your sail.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMU CT and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.